This is Addison, and for those of you who are not anime, we were talking last night and I wanted to record a quick video on how to enter into YouTube as well as create a channel if you're new to the online space. So typically people sync their Gmail and YouTube accounts together just because it works so seamlessly. So as you can see, I'm logged into my Gmail account. There's a couple of different ways that you can go to YouTube directly from here. The first one being, of course, type YouTube into your browser. The second one being click on the Google Apps icon, and then you will, of course, go to YouTube. This will automatically show your picture on the profile in the top right corner, and then you would then just go to your channel. If you're new to the channel, you would then be able to customize it to make it your own. This graphic, you can click the picture, edit your graphic. This is a hyperlink. You can hyperlink this out to a different website if you'd like. This one specifically goes to the free class or the Facebook page. As you can see right now, it's going to my website blog. So a couple of different ways that you can put that to go there. It's really your preference. Hyperlink it out. I can show that in another video. But whenever you're thinking about creating your video or your YouTube channel, you want to speak to your audience. So for instance, my name is my brand, and so that's what I've named my YouTube channel. You can name it whatever you want. It really doesn't matter. But in order to do that, you would simply go to Customize Channel, and then from there it will open the YouTube Studio. You would then have a trailer video. As you can see, mine auto-played whenever I originally came to the website. And then also you have a featured video for returning subscribers. And you can, of course, change or remove that video, not a problem. And then you would just click publish, and now your changes would have been updated. So this is specific to me and to subscribers. And then, of course, your latest 5 videos will actually be listed here. And then if you wanted to go into all of your videos, you would simply click videos and you would be able to see them all. So to recap, you would simply, in your Google or Gmail account, click the Google app icon, go to YouTube, it'll take you right there. Or if you wanted to simply type in YouTube in your browser, you would just sign in, and then it would, if you're already signed in to Gmail, it'll automatically populate. If not, you would then just type in your email address, password, and sign in right off the bat. You don't have to have a Gmail account. I've worked with people that have Yahoo accounts. Really does not matter. As long as you're signed in, you will be just fine. I will create another quick tutorial on how to update your channel if you want to go further in depth. But for now, for your purposes, whenever you want to add a video to your channel, you simply hit this video, the plus and the video camera here that says create, and then you upload video. There was an option to go live. However, you have to have a certain amount of subscribers and views before you can actually utilize that feature per YouTube's policy. Whenever you want to upload your video, you simply select files, and then you're able to select, obviously this is a picture, but for sake of example, you can just double click and then upload videos, follow that. The next video that I'm going to populate, I will walk you through that separately. But for now, this is Addison on how to create or sign into your YouTube channel.